And we have more news coming in. This has got to do with the controversy over Sambhal. The Congress, remember, wants to send a delegation to Sambhal. Uttar Pradesh police versus the Congress over the Sambhal march that is playing out right now. Lucknow cops have served a notice to the UP Congress chief. Cops in riot hit Sambhal, where authorities aren't allowing political parties to venture to Sambhal. This is an order which is in effect till the 10th of December. It's a big showdown on the clashes in Sambhal, where the authorities, fearing a law and order situation, aren't allowing political leaders to venture. Remember, on Saturday, the Samajwadi Party tried to lead a delegation to Sambhal, which has been riot-hit. That was not allowed as well. Sambhal has seen rioting between two communities over the survey of a mosque. The matter is in court, and there is a peace panel that is to be appointed. But amidst all of this, political parties are making a beeline to Sambhal, and the authorities aren't allowing the same. The BJP-led UP government there talking about the fact that these political visits will not be allowed in Sambhal, which has seen riots. Now, the police have issued a notice to the Congress chief there. Samarth getting in more details. Samarth, but expected these developments given that the Samajwadi Party delegation was disallowed on Saturday early morning. When they tried to go to Sambhal, they were turned away. The Congress says, we are going to Sambhal. Authorities are saying it isn't allowed up until the 10th of December.
Well, exactly. We saw how Samajwadi Party delegation was stopped 2 days back when Mata Prasad Pandey, leader of opposition, was trying to move to Sambhal to meet the family of the victims or those who lost lives in the violence. And now it's time for the Congress Party. And we are present outside the Congress Party office. First, you see the visuals of the policemen around, senior police officers around the camping outside the Congress office, just to ensure how the congressmen should be stopped from going to Sambhal, because a notice has also been issued to UP Congress chief Ajay Rai, where it has been said that there will be no movement of political leaders or public representatives till December 10, and that's why, to ensure that particular order, you see the senior officers of police, be it the women officers, the male officers, all have come here in large numbers just to stop the Congress Party workers. As we move forward towards the Congress office, I'll try to show some visuals. Cameraman Sanjay will show the visuals of those trucks which are stationed here, some police jeeps, the vehicles, the PAC men, all established here. And also they have barricaded the entire area, and that has been the picture from Congress office, which clearly tells the story what actually is happening on the ground. And this is the entrance of the Congress Party office. You can clearly guess this is the entrance, and this is the gate via which the congressmen will cross this particular gate. And this is the Congress office, the Uttar Pradesh Congress office, where we saw UP Congress chief speaking to India Today TV. You can see the boards of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, and this is the place from where the Congress leaders will assemble and move. Ajay Rai slept whole night at this particular office. You can see a lot of Congress workers also stationed here. They have plans to move around. क्या plans हैं आप लोगों के यहाँ पर आज आप लोग कूच करने वाले हैं?
देखिए, हम लोग संभल आज हमारे प्रदेश अध्यक्ष जी जाएंगे। हम लोग पूरी रात जो है अपने कार्यालय में बिताए हैं। जिस तरीके की तानाशाही सरकार की है, लगातार रात से ही हमारे नेताओं के घरों पे पुलिस जा रही है।
कौन कौन से नेताओं के घरों? हमारे
CLP के गई है, तमाम जिलों में जो जिला अध्यक्ष हैं उनके घरों पे जा रही है। हमारे प्रदेश अध्यक्ष
लेकिन जो कहा गया नोटिस 10 सितंबर का दिया गया, तो उसके बाद भी जो जा सकता है।
क्यों दंगे का इंतजार कर रहे हैं? जो दंगे का सच है उसको भारतीय जनता पार्टी छुपाना चाहती है। तब तक धमकाकर जो
बीजेपी कह रही है कि कांग्रेस और सपा राजनीति कर रहे हैं इस पूरे मामले को लेकर।
नहीं, एक्चुअली जो राजनीति तो बीजेपी कर रही है। आनंद फानंद में सर्वे के नाम पे 10 लोगों की 5 लोगों
Samar Srivastava there speaking with the Congress workers. Pictures are from the Congress headquarters in Lucknow. The Congress is planning a delegation visit to Sambhal. That's something that the authorities aren't allowing.